Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to switch from ChatGPT to Claude AI without losing your productivity. Whether you're moving because you want a different AI experience or simply want to try Claude's features, the migration process is easier than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to move your important information and start using Claude confidently. The first step is to review what you want to keep from ChatGPT. Think about your custom instructions, important conversations, ongoing projects, and any prompts you use regularly. If you've built workflows around ChatGPT, you'll want to bring those with you so you don't have to start from scratch. Next, export your ChatGPT data. Open ChatGPT, go to Settings, then Data Controls, and choose Export Data. ChatGPT will prepare a copy of your conversations and send you a download link by email. This gives you a backup of your chat history and makes it easier to transfer important information into Claude later. Now it's time to set up Claude. Create your Claude account if you haven't already, then open the Settings menu and make sure the Memory feature is enabled if it's available on your account. Claude can remember useful information about your preferences, helping it provide more personalized responses over time. Recent versions of Claude also include tools to help users import memory from other AI assistants, making the transition much easier. If your account supports memory import, follow the on-screen instructions to transfer your ChatGPT preferences into Claude. If you don't have that option, you can still copy your important custom instructions or ask ChatGPT to summarize your preferences, style writing, goals, and ongoing projects, then paste that summary into a new Claude conversation and ask Claude to remember it for future chats. This gives Claude the context it needs to work more effectively with you. After that, recreate any workflows you relied on in ChatGPT. If you used saved prompts, templates, or project-specific instructions, create new Claude projects and upload any documents or reference files you regularly use. Organizing your work this way makes it much easier to pick up where you left off. Keep in mind that ChatGPT and Claude don't always respond in exactly the same way. Claude often performs best when you provide clear context and detailed instructions. Don't be afraid to experiment with your prompts and refine them until you get the style of responses you prefer. Before fully switching, test Claude with a few of your everyday tasks. Try writing an email, summarizing a document, brainstorming ideas, or solving a coding problem. This helps you become familiar with Claude's strengths and lets you fine-tune your setup before making it your primary AI assistant. And that's it. You've successfully migrated from ChatGPT to Claude AI. With your important context transferred and your project set up, you'll be ready to continue your work without starting from zero. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials. See you in the next video.